English. I am queen of languages. I have 8 daughters. I want to meet my daughters. All daughters are completed to me. Meet my daughters. Thank you.
I am first daughter of English. I am noun. I have used in person, place or thing. My examples are Sita. Sita is my best friend. India is my country. Thank you.
I am second daughter of English. I am pronoun. I replace my elder sister noun. And my example are he is good boy. She is beautiful girl. It is most beautiful poem. Thank you. I am a third daughter of English. I am an adjective. I always come before my sister noun. Beautifiner and qualifiner. My example are smart. She gave her smart answer. Second, beautiful. She is very beautiful. Tall. The two tall are their heads say. Thank you.
I am fourth daughter of English. I am born. I am very active. No the sentence complete without me. And my example are look, run, play. Thank you.
I am fifth daughter of English. I am an adverb. I am modified. Verb, adverbs and other adverb. I am very easily recognize you because I am end by ly. For example, quickly, run quickly, easily, you can do it easily. Thank you.
I am sixth daughter of English. I am preposition. I always stand for my noun. I tell the position of noun. For example, on, we are standing on the stage. In, we are going in the ground. Thank you.
I am seventh daughter of English. I am conjunction. I always joined all letters, words. Example, Rohan was good but Sita was very naughty. Second, if we are elegant, anyone like you. Thank you.
I am the eighth daughter of English. I am interjection. I am very emotional. I express emotions. My examples are oops, I have lost the match. Alas, I have lost my money. Oh, we are happy today.